Let's make a heat map. Heat maps are used to visually represent point data by representing areas that have high point density with stronger colours. So for example, if I take a deeper look at one of my layers by clicking on the layer icon on the left-hand side to open up the Layers menu, I've got a layer here called World Cities. That's entirely made up of points, as I'm sure you can guess, that each represent a city across the globe. If I click on the layer, this should open up a menu on the right-hand side of the screen. If this doesn't display the Properties menu, simply click on the Properties icon at the top of the tabs available on the right-hand side. Now let's click on Edit Layer Style to choose a different layer style. Once that's done loading, a couple of layer styles will be made available. The one that we're interested in right now is Heat Map. If you take a look at the map canvas, you can see that areas that had really high point density are now represented using much stronger colours than areas that had much fewer points. If you navigate to Style options on the right-hand side and click through, you can choose a colour gradient that you think suits your map best, or even change how sharp or soft the edges of the colours are. This is something I recommend playing around with. Developing your own personal style is a great way to feel like you've made your map your own.